This video will show you how to change your default browser in Windows. When we click on this link, it opens in the Opera browser. We want the link to open in the Chrome browser. Or you may want it to open on your favorite browser, whether Microsoft Edge or Firefox. To make that happen, we have to change the default browser in Windows 10. On the Windows search bar, type Default Apps. When the Default Apps window opens, we can see that the default web browser is Opera. To change this, click on the Opera icon. Then choose Chrome. We can now see that the default browser has been set to Chrome. When we click on the link now, it opens in the Chrome browser. Next, let's try a different browser. This time, let's select Edge. When we click the link, it opens in Edge. That's how you set your default browser in Windows. Go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.